guys, Craig with howtopest.com. Today we're going to show you two boxes that we have. One is the Easy Snap Rat, and the other one is the Easy Snap Mouse. So let's show you how they work and how to set them and how to get them working at your house or your property. The Easy Snap Rat is the first one we're going to show you. What it comes with is a reusable snap trap inside the box that if you do need to take out after a catch, it just pops out like that. If you can see on the bottom, you can pull it out and then you can clean the trap. You can rebait it. We recommend baiting the traps with Pest that we have on our website. Peanut butter is going to work too, but this is a really great bait that you'll have great success with. It's also easy to use because it has a plunger and you can just put the right amount. We recommend about the size of your pinky nail. Okay, so that's put on your trap. The trap just pops back into place. Fingers are out of the way. Just makes it really easy to set. You catch something, bar is going to be down, you're going to have the rodent in the trap. So let's put this back in and show you what this zip tie is all about and how it works. What the zip tie does, it allows you to thread it through the pre-manufactured hole, and when it's set, you're going to see the yellow on the tab. What this allows is a no look to the box. So if you have a husband, a wife, somebody that doesn't want to see the catch in the trap, this is going to tell you that you have a catch in the trap. When it springs, you're no longer going to have the yellow. It's going to suck it in. So now you know you have a catch. You open it up, you pop it out, you pull the spring back like this, you take out your catch. Just be careful not to pinch your fingers. You reuse the trap. The great thing about these, they can also be converted into a bait box if you were to want to use poisons in here, and they come with pre-mounted holes for the bars to put your poison blocks on or poison packets, or you can go sideways with them and run your poison packets or blocks that way. So the box is very versatile. Also has pre-drilled holes allowing you to mount this to any type of surface that you have, or if you want to put it onto a brick and drill it into a brick to weigh it down. So it's just a great box, really easy to use, and allows no visibility if you don't want to see what's in there. Let's go over the mouse one. The mouse one works the same way, except for it has two traps in it. And how you can see, these traps are at an angle. And if you're wondering why they're at an angle, the rodent's going to come in this way, and they're forced right here to now hop over. It's actually setting them up in the right location to get a perfect catch. You have two of these. This one's popped out. They pop out and pop in the same way that I showed you the other ones. Let me just flip this back over to the side so I can see it. Pops into place like that, and you set them the same way as you do the other one. Just pops up until you hear the click, and then you're set. You're going to take these and you're going to run these through the top holes on the top of the lid. So you pull them through, you got them snug, your trap is set, you baited it. This just snaps shut, and you're good to go. What's going to happen is you're going to have the yellow sticking out of this one. I have to set that to show you that. I didn't lock that one in place. Lock that one in place. Let's pull that one out so we can show you. But you're going to have the yellow just like that. And you'll have two of them coming out of the hole, like say. And then when they're sprung, like this one, you're only going to see the black. So you know you have a catch. Another great product. Easy to use. This one, they didn't really set it up for poison per se. It's mainly just for the mouse trapping itself with a actual snap type trap. But we've had customers rant and rave about these. This is a great product. So there you have it. You have the Easy Snap Rat and the Easy Snap Mouse, and then also the Pest lure. If you want to use that to bait, or like I said, you can use peanut butter. That's about it. If you have any questions on this product, just give us a holler at howtopest.com. We'd be happy to answer any questions you might have. Thank you.